Here I have Samsung Galaxy F34, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open upper bar, and here you can find the button mobile hotspot. So by tap on it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, here you can change hotspot's name, you can change its password, you can change its AP band, and you can change its security protocol. In advanced, you can also change broadcast channel, you can set mobile data limit, you can set up MAC address type, you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can select for how many minutes. You can set your network to be hidden, you can enable protected management frames, and you can enable Wi-Fi sharing. So yeah, you can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, and here you can see connected devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.